Welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this question for you all. So look at the question. If x plus y plus z is equal to 1, x plus y plus z is equal to 1 and x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 4, then 1 by x plus yz plus 1 by y plus xz plus 1 by z plus xy is equal to dash. 5 options have been given. Okay, so all are negative numbers, only one positive number is given. Okay, so we have to find which one is correct. Okay, so I am starting the sum. I am doing the sum. Watch it very carefully. Okay, two equations have already been given to us. Okay, first one is x plus y plus z is equal to 1. Name it as equation 1. And another equation is given to us, that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 4. Clear? Two equations have been given to us. Okay. So now what will you do? We'll solve this expression. So 1 by x plus yz plus 1 by y plus xz, okay, plus 1 by z plus xy. Okay, we have to solve this one only. So 1 by x can be written as 1 minus y minus z using equation 1. X can be written as 1 minus y minus z plus yz, okay, plus 1 by y can be written as 1 minus x minus z plus xz. Okay, clear? Now the third term can be written, z can be written as 1 minus x minus y, 1 minus x minus y plus xy. We got these values using, here you have to write using equation 2, using equation 1. We got these values using equation 1. Okay, y is equal to 1 minus x minus z plus xz. Here z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. Clear? So now what will you do? 1 by 1 minus y minus z, I can take common, 1 minus y, right? So here also 1 minus x minus z, I can take common, 1 minus x, right? Here also 1 by 1 minus x minus y, I can take common, 1 minus x, right? So in the next step, 1 by 1 minus y, I can take common, 1 minus z. Clear? Plus 1 by, here 1 minus x, I can take common, 1 minus z. Okay, here 1 minus x, I can take common, 1 minus x into 1 minus y. Clear? Okay, so now what will you do? We'll, in the first term, we'll multiply both the numerator and denominator by 1 minus y, 1 minus z, 1 minus x. So in the numerator also 1 minus x plus 1 minus x, 1 minus z, 1 minus y. So in the numerator also 1 minus y, plus 1 minus x, 1 minus the third term 1 minus y, 1 minus z. So in the numerator also 1 minus z. Clear? So now what will be the LCM? LCM will be 1 minus x, 1 minus y, 1 minus z, as all the terms have these denominators. 1 minus x, 1 minus y, 1 minus z. Okay, so in the numerator will be 1 minus x plus 1 minus y plus 1 minus z. Okay, so here this can be written as, the denominator will be 1 minus x, 1 minus y, 1 minus z. Clear? Here 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, minus x minus y minus z can be written as minus x plus y plus z. Clear? Okay, so now this can be written as 3 minus, in the equation 1 only we saw x plus y plus z is equal to 1. So here I can replace x plus y plus z with 1. 3 minus 1, 1 minus x into 1 minus y into 1 minus z. Okay, here you have to write, we got the value of 1 using equation 1. Okay, so this will be, here we don't have any space, so no need to write over there. We'll shift to next page, which is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 by 1 minus x, 1 minus y, 1 minus z. Okay, clear? So now this will be 2 by 1 minus x, we'll multiply this 1 minus y, 1 minus y into 1 minus z. Okay, 1 minus z. Okay, so what it would be? 2 by 1 minus x, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into minus z is minus z, then minus y into 1 is minus y, then minus 1 into minus y into minus z is plus yz. Okay, clear? So now it will be 2 by 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into minus z is minus z, 1 into minus y is minus y, 1 into plus yz is plus yz. Okay, so minus x into 1 is minus x, minus x into minus z is plus xz, minus x into minus y is plus xy, then minus x into plus yz is minus xyz. Okay, clear? So it will be 2 by 1 minus, z is also minus, y is also minus, x is also minus, so we can write this as z plus y plus x. Okay, then plus yz plus yz plus xz plus xy, and finally minus xyz. Okay, so it will be 2 by 1 minus x, in the equation 1 only we saw x plus y plus z is equal to 1, so we can write, we can replace z plus y plus x with 1, plus yz plus zx plus xy minus xyz. So plus 1 minus 1 will cancel each other. So it will be 2 by yz plus zx plus xy minus xyz. So finally we were trying to find the value of 1 by x plus yz plus 1. So you have to write 1 by x plus yz plus 1 by y plus xz, y plus xz plus 1 by z plus xy, z plus xy is equal to 2 by yz plus zx plus xy minus xyz. Name it as equation 3. Okay, we will name it as equation 3. So now what will you do? We know this formula. Now I'll write a formula: x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z whole cube minus 3 into x plus y plus z into xy plus yz plus zx. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z whole cube minus 3 into x plus y plus z into, this is z, okay, and into xy plus yz plus zx. Clear? So here in the equation 2 only it has been given that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 4. So we will replace x cube plus y cube plus z cube with 4 by 4. 4 minus 3xyz is equal to, in the equation 1 what has been given, x plus y plus z is equal to 1. So we will replace this x plus y plus z by 1 cube minus 3 into 1, okay, and finally into xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, so here we have to write using equation, we got this value 4 using equation 2 and we got this 1 using equation 2 and equation 1 we have to write. Clear? So it will be 4 minus 3 xyz is equal to 1 minus 3 into xy plus yz plus zx. Clear? So it will be 4 minus 3 xyz minus 1 is equal to minus 3 xy plus yz plus zx. Clear? So 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 xyz is equal to minus 3 into xy plus yz plus zx. Clear? So here I can take 3 common. 1 minus xyz is equal to minus 3 into xy plus yz plus zx. So 3 will cancel each other. So it will be 1 minus xyz is equal to minus xy plus yz plus zx. Okay. So now is equal to so what we can do, this minus from right hand side will come to left hand side. Okay, so xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, minus xyz is equal to, this one from right hand side will go to left hand side, it will become minus 1. Okay, so name it as equation 4. Clear? So now from equation 3, okay, so what was the equation 3? Equation 3 was this one, 1 plus x plus yz, 1 by x plus yz plus 1 by y plus xz plus c, 1 plus x plus yz plus 1 plus y plus xz plus 1 plus z plus xy, 1 by z plus xy is equal to 2 by is equal to 2 by yz plus zx plus xy, yz plus zx plus xy minus xyz minus xyz. Clear? So it will be 2 by yz, here only equation for xy plus yz plus zx minus xyz is equal to minus 1. So yz plus zx plus xy minus xyz is minus 1 using equation 4. So what is the final value? 2 by minus 1 is minus 2. So what is the answer? Minus 2. So see the options, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and 2. Answer is minus 2. So option number B is the correct option. Clear? Thank you.